Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT8. Under the hood, we have a 6.4-liter V8 SRT Hemi, and we have an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in brilliant black. It looks great. You do have that hood on it, giving it a very aggressive look. You do have the Jeep logo as well as the chrome accenting on the grille up front here, and you do have adaptive bi-xenon headlights right there with your fog lights just down there. You also got some park sensors along the bottom, and coming around the side here, we do have 20-inch rims. They look great with those nitro brand tires, and those rims look fantastic. You got the red brakes back there. They look great, giving a very sporty look. You do also have heated exterior mirrors right there with turning signals on them, and coming all the way around to the back, you got that SRT badging, the Jeep, and you do have the dual exhaust back here, as well as you have your parking sensors and your backup camera. Now it is an automatic tailgate. You just press the button, opens right up for us. Very cool. Now lots of room back here as well. You got some speakers to blast some music, a little bit of additional storage, emergency flashlight, and you can lift this up as well. You do have your spare tire just underneath there, and when you want to close it back up, all you gotta do is press this button right here and get out of the way because it'll bonk you in the head. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 press to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock them. That one opens up the back, and we do have our remote start here. Now that is an aggressive sounding vehicle. It sounds awesome. Now the remote start is especially nice in the winter. It gets it nice and warm for you. Now it does also have proximity keyless entry, so if you have the key on your person, just gotta put your hand in there and it will unlock for you. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Plus you do have some chrome accenting here, and the inlay there, it looks awesome. You do have the brown leather here. It's very comfortable, feels great. You do have your seat memory here and some storage down here with a water bottle holder. It is the brown leather seats throughout with the SRT badging. It looks great. They are very comfortable. Looks fantastic. You do also have the controls over your lights here, so your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your fog lights there in cabin light control here. Then up here we do also have the controls over turning signals, high beams, windshield wipers, all that fun stuff. Right down here we also have the controls over the lumbar support, and this guy is the controls over your seat. Now it is a push to start, so you put your foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge, engine temperature, all that stuff. Also says how many kilometers we have, which is 65,000, not too bad at all. Now we can switch that around in the middle from our speedometer. We can switch around to the other speedometer if we did want. We can switch it around. You can change it to miles per hour. You got your vehicle info there. You have your terrain. You have your adaptive cruise control here. You also have your fuel economy, your trip A. You have your audio, your stored messages, screen setup. You also got your SRT performance options there, your diagnostics codes, and then back to your speedometer. Now that is controlled from right here at your steering wheel. You also have your Bluetooth options here, horn in the center, and then your cruise control options all right here. You also have the paddle shifters here and here. They're metal. They feel great, look awesome. Now in the center here we do have our 8.4-inch touchscreen display. It looks great. You have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM all there, plus you have your media tabs if you have one hooked up. You have your disc, USB, aux cord, Bluetooth, and SD card. You have your controls over your heated and vented seats, heated steering wheel, and the same for the other side. Then you got your climate control, dual climate system for you and your passenger. Then you also got your navigation here. If you hit view map, you can see we are on Rec Place. Got your phone options if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, and then you also have your SRT apps here. If you go to all apps, you can do your performance pages. It kind of checks it out, and you can see all sorts of different stuff, so we'll come back to that in just a second. Down here we do have our volume up and down with our mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, tuner and browser, AC, circulation, heat up and down, power, off auto, circulation down there, park assist, you got your collision detection there, eco mode, and then you also have your traction control. Now back up here, those performance pages did come up, so you got your track timers if you wanted, you have your G-force, your gauges, and you have all sorts of different options in there, so I would recommend playing around with that, having fun with it. You got some storage just down here as well. You got SD card, you have some plugins, USB, all that fun stuff. You got your your cup holders here. When you are in reverse, you do have that backup camera. Looks fantastic, keeping you nice and safe. You do also have this guy, which is your terrain selector. You got your launch there, and then you can lift this up, and we got some storage just under there with our CD player. Over here we do have a locking glove box with our owner's manual inside of it, And then up top here we do have our universal garage door openers and our controls over our sunroof. Plus you got this guy here for your your sunglasses, and then you got a very large double pane sunroof. It looks great, lets in lots of light. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you do have the controls over your windows. You got that same brown leather. You have some chrome accenting here, and you got your storage down here with that water bottle holder. Looks fantastic back here. It is heated seats as well with some USB plugins right there. And then you do have this guy that folds down. You got some armrests with some cup holders. It does seat 5 people all together, and you can also fold these seats forward if you did want, and you got more storage back there. And there is our 6.4 SRT Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.